Tibialis posterior. Our tibialis posterior, if we look at the term, tibialis meaning tibia, posterior meaning directionally, it's on the back side of our leg, and that's exactly where we'll find it. It's actually hugged right up against the posterior side of the tibia, so it's the deepest muscle on our posterior leg. Now, a couple other interesting facts about it. It is the primary dynamic stabilizer of the medial arch. So our medial arch, we all have a natural arch that should form, and the tibialis posterior is part of why we have that arch. So if someone is flat-footed, this would be a great muscle to try to strengthen. Another interesting fact is it's the largest and strongest inverter of our foot. So when we invert our foot or we bring our foot medially, then this is one of the main muscles that performs that. One last little note that's interesting is if you were to palpate the tendon for this, tibialis posterior, you would look at your medial malleolus, and this tendon, it wraps around the posterior side, so kind of posterior to inferior. So whenever you want to see where this tendon is located, you can look at yourself, you look at your medial part of your foot, and you look just behind and under the medial malleolus, and there it'll be. Okay, so let's look at the origin and insertion. So the origin is the interosseous membrane and adjacent to the tibia and fibula. Its insertion, it actually has multiple points of insertion here. So the navicular and most of the tarsals and metatarsals. So it has kind of a broad area where it attaches distally. Actions are ankle plantar flexion and then also foot inversion. So remember we just said it was a really strong inverter of the foot. So it definitely does that action. And then it's innervated by the tibial nerve.